caught you in the trap now.
Look at this, real life Fast and the Furious house. Look at that squad shit right there. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are visiting our boy Randy with Elite Detailing. He's actually working on a really clean C7 Z06 right now that he's ceramic coating, and I'm actually doing some promo videos for him. So let's go check on Randy and see what the heck this guy's doing. What the heck is going on in here?
Waiting for you.
Randy?
Ready?
What's up?
How's it going?
Oh, it's going. Okay. All right, Randy, what kind of concoction you got going on over here?
I am mixing waterless wash. This is CarPro
Hey,
Echo.
I
I don't know if it's supposed to be ECH2O or Echo. I call it Echo.
Echo for short.
Yes.
What's the dilution rate here?
The dilution rate is 1 to 5.
Is that true?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
Yes. Most definitely is.
Okay, guys, so Randy's making this waterless wash. So what's the whole hype about this waterless wash? And what's the point of it?
So waterless wash is great for cars that aren't like filthy. Say if you have a vehicle that's just like lightly dusted, like my Corvette, for example, and you don't feel like it's worth it to completely wash it. Maybe you don't have time, or you're in an area that doesn't
Just
have
got
water.
done golfing.
Just got done golfing, you know, so you gotta go home, clean up that Corvette in the garage for 4 hours. So basically what you do, yeah, this is my waterless wash. It's diluted to 1 to 5. And so I like to give a few spritz like this. And so one thing with paint, you never want to touch paint dry. You always want to have some kind of lubrication on your paint. And so what we do, you spray the panel. I like to spray it pretty liberally. And now I like to kind of do, it's called like a rolling method, because I like to think of every little speck of dust like a big rock. Now I don't want to be dragging that rock across the paint. Rather, I'd like to be gently lifting it away from the surface. So I kind of do
It's almost like picking the dirt up or whatever's on there.
You kind of want to gently lift it off of the panel. And so I'll start right here, and you'll see how I kind of just roll it. So I'm always using a new part of the towel.
He is rolling the panel.
Yes.
That's pretty smart. I never thought about that. I usually just wipe and pray.
Wipe it.
Pray it on scratch.
And then, so the panel is clean. Then I take my other microfiber, and I just lightly buff away any of the streaks that I could have had from the waterless wash.
So what's the difference between this and doing like a spray quick detail wax thing?
So the difference really is that this is it's designed to just quickly clean it. It doesn't have any waxes or sealants inside of it, and so it's literally designed to just clean. Whereas, you know, a lot of the spray sealants, they have an actual wax in there. So if it dries in the sun, it'll turn white. Whereas this will just clean it.
Because you always see like the old guy, you know, at the car show, he's like quick detailing his car, like with a shit ton of stuff.
Yeah.
Would you do this and that, or just one over the other?
I would personally just use this. I mean, my car is ceramic coated, and so there's
Oh,
no
yeah, so it
need-
just needs to be cleaned, huh?
yeah, there's no need for me to add any extra protection on it. So actually a spray sealant would
So you're against wearing protection?
yes.
Got him! Look at that. That works pretty freaking good. Well, does it work as good on a non-coated vehicle?
Yeah, absolutely.
It works all right?
Yep, it works great on everything. It's kind of dissolved. It's a little bit like an alcohol. It dissolves evaporates very quickly. And so you just with your second wipe, it leaves it streak free, nice and clean. And then you have a clean car.
Sweet. Okay, now show us the other vet that you got working on here. What's going on over here?
This one we performed a full paint correction on, and it has the base layer ceramic coating. We're doing a 2-layer ceramic system, and so yeah, it's receiving the full wheels off detail. The brake calipers have been ceramic coated. The glass has been ceramic coated. All painted surfaces have been ceramic coated, and so it's protected.
You guys should have seen these calipers yesterday. They were nasty.
Yeah, I can send you pictures.
They were nasty, nasty. Look at that color though, damn. So two-step paint correction.
Yep.
Came out pretty well. Look at that sparkle. This color's sick.
Yeah, so it looks totally different depending on what kind of light is on it.
Yeah, depending, like, there's some blue light over there, some yellow light over there, like, it just looks totally different. I love this spec, though. Show them, show them. Look at that, mint. Oof.
Not bad for my first time, huh?
It's your oh no, oh no. So yeah, he's got one more layer to put on this. I'm doing a little promo vid for him. You guys could check him out on Facebook, Elite Auto Detailing. Do you have Instagram or no for Elite, or just your personal one?
Just Randy_detailer.
Just your personal one, yeah.
Yep.
So then you could hit him up on Facebook. Remember, if you guys are in the surrounding areas, anywhere in the Panhandle, where you want to travel, Randy's your go-to guy. So he does anything from like what, just regular details to full-on ceramic coatings.
From a car wash to full wheels off services like this. If you need just an interior done, I can do that. But yeah, you name it, I do it.
So Randy's got his own shop now over here off McCormick. You do mobile stuff too or no? People always ask about mobile.
I'm working on it. I need to buy a pickup. And
I'll trade you a Ram 1500 for the Vet.
That's actually the plan. It is for sale. So.
Should I buy that for the channel? I want it. Does it come with golf clubs and a pair of New Balances?
I can probably arrange it.
What about jorts?
Shorts. Let me go cut a pair of mine.
I already have a pair. I'm one step ahead. So yeah, Randy's pretty much finishing this up. Just got one more layer of ceramic to go on it, but the car is sick. My God, it's bright out here. So huge shout out to Randy for helping with the video. We got some more detailing like videos coming in the future to help you guys out, and might have to do a little review on the Mini Cooper. Honestly, I think that thing would be sweet. But huge shout out to Randy. Make sure you hit him up, Elite Auto Detailing, Randy_detailer on Instagram, and look for the promotional video dropping on Van Forest Media on Facebook. And you can also hit him up at Elite Auto Detailing on Facebook also. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. We will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39, and we'll see you guys on the next one.